On this video today, I'm going to show you a brand new traffic source that you can use to make up to $400 per day with CPA marketing. This method is beginner friendly, and the best part is that wherever you are in the world, you can use this method to make money from home. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I will show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to join a CPA marketing network. You can join CPA Lead, you can join CPA Build, you can join Max Bounty, or any CPA network that you know you can join and then use this method to make money from home. In this case, I'm using CPA Grip. So what you have to do is that you have to create your accounts and log in. Once you log in, you are going to see a page like this. What you have to do is that you have to come right here. Once you are here, what you have to do is that you have to click on Offer Tools. Once you click on Offer Tools, you are going to select My Offers. Once you select My Offers, you are going to see a page like this. So now what you have to do is that you have to find offers to promote. You can see many offers that you can promote, but in this video what I'm going to do is that I'm going to show you a country where you can get offers with higher payout so that you can be making a lot of money from home. What you have to do is that you have to come right here and then click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to search for Ireland. So search for Ireland right here. You can just see IE. Once you search for it, you can see Ireland right here. Click on it so that you can find offers to promote. Once you click on it, you are going to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see it is still loading. Once it has finished loading, you can see the offers that you can promote in Ireland to make money from home. One thing about CPA marketing is that you have to target a specific country so that you can get the right people to complete the offers for you to make money. All these offers that you are seeing on your screen, what you have to do is that you have to promote them to people in Ireland so that they can complete the offers for you to make money. Each of the offers has a specific requirements. For example, you can see this offer right here. Start your boxer short trial. The payout is $3.42. When you come to the requirement, you can see credit card submit. So what your potential visitors have to do is that they have to enter their credit card details to start the trial, and you are going to be paid $3.42. And you can see they are allowed to complete the offer on an Android device or Apple iOS device. So that is the requirement. An offer like this, it is difficult to get people to complete it for you to make money because a lot of people are afraid to enter their credit card details online. So what you have to do is that you have to look for offers with easy requirements. For example, you can see this offer right here. The requirement is that your potential visitors have to enter their email or zip code to participate in a survey, and you are going to be paid $1.16. That is the requirement. It's very simple. So your potential visitors can do it for you to earn the money. It is allowed on Android and Apple iOS. You can see it right here. But when you look at the payout, it is very low. So what you have to do is that you have to search through and then find an offer that has a higher payout. When you scroll down, you can see this offer right here. Claim a iPhone 14 gift card. The requirement is that your potential visitors have to enter their mobile numbers. You can see it right here, pin submit. They have to enter their mobile numbers to stand the chance of getting the gift card, and you are going to earn $10.27. You can see the same offer right here. You can see it is allowed on Android. It is also allowed on Apple iOS. So we are going to be promoting an offer like this so that we can get people in Ireland to enter their mobile numbers for us to earn $10.27 per every lead that we get. To get your affiliate link, what you have to do is that you have to click on the name of the offer so that you can get more details about the offer. Once you click on the name of the offer, you can see these are the details of the offer. You can see right here, this is the title of the offer, this is the requirement. Enter your mobile number now for a chance to win. You can see the payout right here. So this is the amount that you are going to earn per every lead that you get. You can see the tracking domain. So when you click on it, you can select the one that you want. Any of them that you select, you can use it to promote your link. Apart from that, you can see right here, this offer is only allowed on Apple iOS in Ireland. So you can see your affiliate link right here. So you must get people in Ireland to click on your affiliate link and then enter their details for you to earn the payout. So now what we have to do is that we have to find a traffic source whereby we can get people in Ireland to click on our affiliate link and then complete the offer. There are two ways that you can use to drive traffic to this link. We have the paid method and then the free method. In this video, what we are going to be doing is that we are going to be using the paid method because that is the method that we can use to get quick resource. We want to buy traffic from Ireland so that we can get people in that country to complete the offer for us to make money. So the next step is that you are going to come on this website, everdav.com. This website allows you to advertise your links at a very cheap price. The best part is that even if you have a zero balance in your accounts, your ad is going to be approved. They have many ad formats that you can use to promote your affiliate link. You can see you can use the native format, you can use push, in-page, pop under. So any of the ad formats that you want, you can select to promote your link. So now what you have to do is that you have to create an advertisers account so that you can begin creating ads on this platform. To create an advertisers account, you can just scroll down and click right here, advertiser. Once you click on it, you can create your accounts. You can also click right here, sign up. Once you click on sign up, you are going to select advertiser. Once that is done, you are going to enter your email. Once that is done, you are going to click right here, I accept terms of use and privacy policy and agree to receive newsletters. Just select the box. Once that is done, you are going to click right here, get started. Once you click on that, they are going to send you an email so that you can follow the steps and then create your free accounts. Once you create your accounts and log in, you are going to see a page like this. What you have to do is that you have to click right here, campaigns. Once you click on campaigns, you are going to create a campaign. So click right here, create campaign. Once you click on it, you are going to give a name to your campaign. In this case, I'm going to just type iPhone 14, just something like this. Once that is done, you are going to select the traffic quality. You can select the standard or the premium. In this case, I'm going to leave it with the standard. Once that is done, you are going to select your ad format. You can select in-page, push notification, pop under, native ads. So any of them that you want, you can select. In this case, I'm going to select in-page. Once that is done, you are going to select your pricing model. You can see CPC, cost per click, and you can see CPM, cost per mail. The cost per click means you are going to be paying per every click that you get. The CPM means you are going to be paying per every 1,000 visits that you get. So any of them that you want, you can select that. In this case, I'm going to select the CPC. Once that is done, you can see campaign group. We don't have any campaign group, so just leave it like that. Once that is done, you can see target URL. This is where you are going to paste your affiliate link. So what you have to do is that you have to come back on CPA group. Once you come back, you are going to click right here, copy link. Once you copy your link, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see frequency capping. You are going to enter the number of times that you want a potential visitor to see your ad per day. So if you want a potential visitor to see your ad 3 times a day, you can do that. If you want a potential visitor to see your ad 2 times a day, you can select that. So in this case, I'm going to leave it with the default. But if you want, you can decrease it or you can increase it to 4. So I'm going to leave it with 3. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see right here, conversion postback URL. Just leave it. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see right here, the creative style. So if you want the classic style, if you want the system, the social, whatever that you want, you can select that. This is the preview, so you can just test it and then see if it is suitable for you. You can just test it out and then see the one that is suitable for you. Once that is done, you can change the color of the template. So you can see it is currently dark. If you want, you can change it. So let me just enter it for you to see. You can see, let's say light. You can see this is how it is going to appear. If you want a different color, you can select that. You can see standard classic, so just select that. You can see this is how it is going to appear. In this case, I'm going to use the dark. As you can see, that has been done. Just select any of them that you like. Once that is done, you can see right here title. So this is where you are going to paste the title of the offer. So you can see you need only 30 characters. So just go back on CPA group and then copy and paste the title right here. Once you come back on CPA group, what you have to do is that you have to highlight and then copy the title of the offer. Just highlight and then copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done, but you can see all the text has not appeared right here. You can see this is the preview of it. This is how it is going to appear to the visitor. Just leave it like this because it will even make the visitor curious to click on your ad. So just leave it like this. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see right here button text. This is where you are going to type your call to action. So you can just type something like click to win, something like this. Click to win. You can just type something like this. You can see it right here. Once that is done, if you want the button color, you can change it. This color, if you don't like it, you can change it. So you can just click on it and then select the one that you want. You can see all the colors. You can see a lot of them. Any of them that you want, you can select it. In this case, this one stands out, so I'm going to leave it like this. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see icon, image, and then image. So you are going to upload images of the offer. To get images of the offer, what you have to do is that you have to come back on CPA grip. Once you come back on CPA grip, you are going to put your pointer on the image, right click. Once you right click, you are going to select save image as. Once you click on that, you are going to click on save so that the image can be saved onto your device. Once you save the image, you are going to click right here, upload, so that you can upload images of the offer. Once you click on it, select your image, click on open. As you can see, this is the image. So what you have to do is that you have to crop it. You can crop it like this and then click right here, crop. Once you click on crop, you can see this is the image. You can see the preview right here. Once you upload the icon image, if you want, you can leave it like this. So just leave it. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see right here, targeting an audience. So you are going to select the country where you are targeting. In this case, we are targeting people in Ireland. So you have to search for Ireland right here. So just search for Ireland. So you are going to search for Ireland right here. Just search for Ireland. You can see it right here. Select it. As you can see, that has been done. So we are going to leave it like this. You don't have to add any country because we are targeting only one country. The offer is allowed in only Ireland. So just leave it like this. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see right here the cities, regions. If you want to select a city in Ireland, you can select that. But in this case, we are targeting people in all parts of Ireland. So just leave it like that. Once that is done, you can see devices. There's no restriction. So just leave it like this, all. Once that is done, you can see operating system. The offer is only allowed on Android and Apple iOS. So you have to click on it and then select Android. You can see Android right here. Once that is done, you're going to click on it again, select iOS. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you can see operating system version. There is no restriction, so just leave it. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see browser, just leave it all. You can see right here language. Here we are going to select English and Irish because the people in Ireland speak English and Irish. So you are going to search for English right here. Search for English. You can see it. Select English right here. Once that is done, you are also going to search for Irish. So search for Irish. You can see Irish right here. Select it. Once that is done, you can see connection type. There is no restriction, so just leave it. Once that is done, you can see type blacklist. If you want to blacklist anything, we don't have anything that we want to blacklist. You can see mobile ISP, just leave it. You can see audiences, just leave it. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see right here CPC, the cost per click. How much are you willing to pay per every click that you get? So you can just click on it. Once you click on it, you can see this is the maximum cost per click and this is the minimum. So you can select the minimum. The minimum is 0.005. So that is the amount that you are going to be paying per every click. Just select it. As you can see, that has been done. So the traffic is very cheap. Before you even spend $1, you might have gotten more than 100 clicks. So this is a cheap traffic source that you must use to advertise your links so that you can be making money with CPA marketing. Once you select your CPC, the next step is that you are going to scroll down. If you want to get a lot of clicks, you can increase it a little bit so that you can get more clicks than your competitors. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down right here. You can see advertising limit. How much are you willing to spend in total on your ad? So just enter any amount. You can change it later. So just enter $100. Let me delete one of them. $100. As you can see, that has been done. You can see daily budget. How much are you willing to spend per day? You can change all of them. So just enter any amount that you want. Let's say $5 a day. Once that is done, you can see total click limit. How many clicks do you want to get in total? You can enter 2,000. You can enter more than that. Any number that you want, you can enter it right here. You can see daily click limit. How many clicks do you want to get per day? You can enter something like 400 clicks a day, or if you want, you can enter more. So any number that you want, you can enter it right here. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see right here, launch an advertising campaign immediately after approval. You are going to select it because we want our ad to begin running after the moderator approves our ad. If you deselect it, it means when the moderator approves your ad, you still have to log in and then activate your campaign. But in this case, we want it to run automatically. So you are going to leave it like this and then click right here, create, so that your campaign can begin running on the platform. Once you click on it, you are going to see something like this. You can see, wow, seems your campaign has been launched successfully. Your campaign has been launched successfully. When you scroll down, you can see your ad right here. It is waiting for moderation. You can see once they moderate it, it is going to start running so that you can be getting people in Ireland to click on your link and then enter their mobile numbers for you to earn $10.27. But before your ad runs, what you have to do is that you have to deposit money into your accounts. To deposit money, you are going to click right here, funds. Once you click on funds, you can see these are the methods of payments that you can use to deposit money into your accounts. You can see right here, you can use your credit card, Visa, Discover, MasterCard. You can use that if you want. You can use this one right here. You can use another one right here. You can use Capitalist. You can use PayPal. If you click on other methods, you can see many of them. You can see Pioneer, Web Money, Bank Transfer, Discover, and the rest. You can see many methods of payment that you can use to deposit money into your accounts. So any of them that you are using, you can just click on it and then deposit money into your account so that you can use it to spend on your ad. So make sure you go and take action so that you can be making money from home without any skills and without any experience. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.